Hello guys, I'm Joshua and today we are gonna make 3 different types of paper planes. So let's start. Don't first take a used page. Wait, I on my back. Okay, take a used page and fold it like this. Wait guys, fold it like this. There should the imaginary line come in between. Then just do it like this. Make it like this curve. Then do it like this. Actually, I'll say you guys, I am not making this by my own. I saw it on a YouTube channel before and I'm making it again and showing you. Look at here, after you do like this, bend this pointed part to this side. Like this, then fold it like this again. It's like this, then leave it, keep it like this, press it and just do like this. Okay, just do it like this and do it like this. One side, do the same in the other side. Okay, look here. Once you do it like this, look at here. Once you do it like this, do it back side. And look, if you look, it's like this, right? Look the back side and look, it's like this. If it's like this, then fold it like this. Okay, this part, fold it like this. No, not like that. Sorry. Keep it like this and fold it like this here. Look here guys, then do it like this part. Perfect. Next, the same you do in the other side. Okay guys, wait. The video is not over. I have to make more 2 paper plates guys. Look here. Do it like this. Look at here. It's ready. No, it's not ready actually. Wait. Then after you do it like this, it will be like this after you do it. Then after this, you have to just bend the upper part here like this. Okay, now it's ready guys. Look here. Let's fly and see it. It's very fast guys. So let's make another 2 planes. Okay, now I'll see how to make another one plane. Come on, I remembered it. I forgot while making this plane. Okay, let's start. Actually, it's easy actually. Do you like to make paper planes? Send it in the comments. I don't make so many videos. My mom just don't allow me. This is easy. It's a World Cup. Okay, let's start. After only 2 minutes. Do it fast forward and learn. Okay, back side. Perfect. That's it. I know that much. After that, I will learn. Okay. Learned it. Now start again. Need a paper which is not like cut from anywhere. It should be perfect paper. All corners should be perfect corrected. Okay guys, one more plane. Let's start again another plane. Come on guys, just look here. This plane. Wait guys. Adjust the camera guys. Wait guys, I'll adjust the camera properly though that can't see. Look, one more paper. The same you do at the starting. Make it like this. No, I'll not make 3 paper planes. I'll make only 2 paper planes, and this is the last one because the phone battery is gonna get down. I'll make it fast. Okay. You can see it. You can pause it and see, right? Look at after doing this, do the same as the last one. Okay guys, if I do comparison between the speed of this one which I'm gonna make and that one which I made, that one which I already made is speed. Okay guys, so do it like this. Now the change is you have to do it like this, back side, and that time you fold it front side, now you fold it back side. No, it's different actually. Okay, you fold it back side and it should come like this to the point. Okay, like this. Then look this side, you'll get like this. Then do this side like this, and you just do like this. Okay, look here. You should get this shape in the middle. Look here. Okay, after you do this, look back side. You will get like this a shape. After do this, look the back of it, back side. You will get a like this type. Just then keep it. Then do this part up. Properly you do it up like this. Then keep it like this and fold it. Yeah, this side. I have to fold it this side this time. Then fold it like this. Okay, you did this. You get like this. Then after that, ending, you fold it up this thing like this, like you did the previous plate. Okay, the plane's made perfectly. Okay, the plane's ready. Look here. Let's fly it. Get ready. So first I'm gonna show you the top planes, right? This is one plane and this is two plane. Let's do two of them. Look here. Okay guys, this was for today. And after once battery of my phone gets charged, I'll make that third plane and put it in the video. Okay guys, thank you. Bye.